Good morning, everybody. This is Laurel with the North Raleigh Seed Library. Yes, I'm sitting in a shadow. No, I'm not expecting. I'm glistening from the North Carolina heat and humidity. It is tough. As much as we love that little shower that came through, it left us a souvenir. And I want you to know it is hot. So you're probably going to see like a liquid mustache while I'm doing this. Just disregard. Okay, so guess what day it is? Today is so much fun because it is Adriana's turn from her column of You Asked For It Fridays, where all of our Seed Library members ask each other, hey, do you have a plant? I was really looking for this special thing and I've got something that I can swap for it. And, you know, it's just one of those things that we connect together, just not spending any money, meeting new friends, and getting that dream plant that we've been looking for. So I'm going to read off. Remember, this is like our Seed Library book club. I'm going to read off what's on the Facebook post. And we hope that you'll subscribe. We're trying to get more members so that we can get more ideas about more videos that you want to see. My hope is that I'm going to be down at the Seed Library doing a lot of videos and talking about what's on the tables. And we've talked about doing this several times before, and I've thrown that out there. I'm going to do this, but we can't get reception under that tree. I have tried and tried and tried. So thinking it out, kind of how we can pull this off. And it has to be a little bit cooler because my phone keeps turning off. The recording just can't handle the heat. So it's coming, but wouldn't that be neat? I know it's great seeing everybody's yards, doing everybody's ideas, doing these fun videos, but it's also all of our yard at the Seed Library. So why not feature a lot of the videos there? So still learning the tech stuff. I think I got the sound figured out, so check. And also, shout out to our friend from the Ukraine. You have got to check out her channel. I'm not sure how to do links. I know how to put the links on that we are going to have, you know, kind of repeat over and over in the side of our YouTube videos. I'm not sure how to push you to her link yet, but what I'm going to do is I'll put it in the comments. She is wonderful. She's been so encouraging to us, to our channel, to the things that we're doing. And we're really excited about her yard that she shared with us. I'm telling you what, her garden is phenomenal. I'm learning a lot. And there's a place that I've already posted on our Facebook page where it shows you how to translate what she's saying. But can you imagine that's from the Ukraine? Okay, so I'm not going to give out too much information about Adriana. She's very private. But I want you to know, I am trying hard to see if I can't get her to do this portion of our YouTube channel. She has the most beautiful accent you've ever heard in your life. And she doesn't sound like she crawled off a tractor like me with the North Carolina deep Southern accent that I can't hear. To myself, I am like a Midwesterner. I am like a newscaster. To everybody else, not so much. So, Adriana, we'll see. Okay, so here goes our column for this past Friday. Everything you guys want. And I'm going to read off what Adriana says every week, just so we're all on the same page getting started. You Asked For It Friday, Cuttings Edition. And this is from yesterday, and it was at 7 o'clock a.m. And she keeps this going all the time. I'll post the date because truthfully, I can't remember what day it is. Retirement is awesome. I love being in my 60s. 60s rocks. I'm telling you, I don't care what time it is. I don't care what day it is. Yeah, basically my biggest concern right now, other than, you know, all things necessary, is this precipitation going across the top of my lip right now. Please disregard. Here goes. You Asked For It Friday, Cuttings Edition. Are you looking for that special plant or to grow your collection? Ask for a cutting or two and you may find them here. This is a perfect time of year to try your hand at softwood and semi-hardwood propagation. Please make arrangements to meet or porch pickup. Happy propagating, friends. As a reminder, some plants are patented, prohibited from propagation. All right, so here we go. And we're going to start off with Rohani Sabtan Hakim. I have extra seedlings of Kuka melon and Jamaican bitter melon if anyone's interested. And Florence C. replied, and she says, I didn't know there's a Jamaican bitter melon. That's cool. I'm not interested in obtaining it. I just want to say, that's cool. Ha 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 ha. Everybody loves learning. Yes, thank you for sharing that. And Rohani, she replied, my father used to grow these and now I'm growing them in his memory. Isn't that great how plants bring up so many memories? It's kind of funny. Plants bring up memories and good feelings and also pressure because, if you've got a plant that somebody's given you and it's not doing well, this is the place to ask for help. You do not want to lose your plant. So you're in a good spot. All right, now, Danielle Galvin. She says, little lime punch hydrangea cuttings, please. And Dina Hassan replies, I would love some of these too if someone has enough to share with me. And Danielle Galvin said, that may be patented, but if you guys have any little lime punch hydrangea cuttings, please let these ladies know. They would certainly appreciate it. And then Alley-oop Carter, she says, that one in the picture. And then Adriana said, we'll need to chat with our friends at Duke. And the picture that she put up on the Facebook, I will lead with on our cover photo here for this YouTube video. It looks like to me a panicle hydrangea. Not sure what kind. It's an oak leaf hydrangea, but I'm not sure what kind. Okay, there you go. You know what? A year ago, I couldn't have told you that. You guys are making me smarter. I love it. Okay, Florence C. Does anyone have any extra sweet potato slips? I've been trying for 3 months and no success. I think I'll start from January next year. And then Marcia Schmidt says, bottle brush buckeye, red twig dogwood, basil, rosemary, dill, and fennel. So all of these are things people are looking for. So make sure that you reach out to them if you have them in Adriana's post. She says, from Pragnathacker, I would love some cardinal flowers or asters. Then Michelle Lynn says, echinacea, please. Cecilia Bracco, hydrangea or viburnum cuttings, please. And Marcy Schmidt replied, Cecilia, I have a hardy viburnum. DM me to arrange for pickup, please. We have a match. Yes. Okay. Then Cecilia replies, and she says, Marcy Schmidt, I just messaged you. Thank you. Heart. Okay. Then Lissa, she says, great idea. Not sure why. Lissa, clue us in. What's the great idea? But I know it's a good one. So those are the comments for this week. Short and sweet, but we got people that need their plants and it's going to be fun. So a couple of things real quick. I put out on our channel, our Facebook page, does anybody want to see me cut up a butterfly bush and turn it into a tree? I've been doing this for several years and I just didn't know if there was interest. Apparently a handful of people want to see it. So it's going to be me in another video today with a electric power tool. All I can say. So make sure to tune back in. Thank you for checking on us each week to see what's going on. And all together now, Adriana. She's got a beautiful voice. All right, everybody. Our friend from the Ukraine. Mwah. Thank you for tuning in. Everybody check out her page. And everybody have a wonderful weekend. See you later.